of me, Nikolai, was filling up a toy car with tons of water. Right now you can see there's a lot of water in it. And yes, I am being dumb and I'm filling it up. Well, I really hope you liked the video of all the water coming out of the doors. Have fun with the video. Alright, so right now, I'm just waiting for it to fill up until it goes to the seat. Yes, the seat's right here. Hold on, water bump. Here's water. Actually, that might take a little bit though. Yeah, if I drop my phone in it, well, the video is gonna be over. So I might as well not drop it. Yeah, dude, this is gonna be so fun because I never done this before and I like doing it. Which I haven't done it. And I will put myself in this vehicle pretty soon. And this video is not going to be that long though. So that's sad. But the video is going to be sick. And right now, you can see it fills up a ton of puddles and stuff for that little vehicle I painted. I got in trouble, but I don't give a shit. So, yeah. So let's just wait. Wait. Man, this might take a little long because it's dripping water. Alright, well, right now I think it's pretty full, so I'm gonna go spray it. That was not disgusting. That looks to be like a Should never detonate. Hey, but you can tell the car's full, so that's good. Not. So I just shut it off. So let's go see what it looks like. Well, that's what it looks like. And here goes my new shoelaces. What we need to do is trash it. That means dump it. Like this. Actually, I might dump it. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video right here and I'm going to get to the park. And I will take the video, okay? So, bye, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, I am back. And I'm here to dump the vehicle. Alright, so, this is how it's gonna go. And I hope you like the end of this video. Goodbye. Well, I didn't expect that would happen. Okay, there's a good amount of water. Well, I hope you liked the video, and right now that's all I really have. So, good luck, and this video right here is gonna be on YouTube. So, peace.